Hey friends, Zen Cooney here. Time for Primal Nature Play. I'm going to demonstrate the Clubbell swipe, and we're going to do it with a backhand shift first, so we're doing alternating swipe, and then we will do more alternating swipes with a front hand shift. So you get a chance to see both ways of doing it, backhand shift and a front hand shift. Let's do her. So here's your back shift. With your back shift, you want to make sure that you've got a secure grip there as you go back. And the way you do that is put the club into the midline in the back. And then you can let go of that one hand, it goes right into the opposite hand. Now we're going to shift it to a front hand shift. Again, did you see? It's right in the midline. Where I actually make the shift is right in the midline. Back shift, front shift. Front shift, back shift. So there's your two variations. And whichever one you like, start off with that one. Then practice the other one. Then put them both together. And then you've made it fun.